All right, so I made this PowerPoint for you and I put it in your OneDrive, so you'll be able to change it. But your first slide says student learning objectives. And if I were you, I would ask the student to write this down, write SLO. I will identify games appropriate for a preschooler's physical development. That's your learning objective. Next slide, essential question, which is an AVID strategy. So after your students watch the video, they can answer this question. What role does game, or you can change this, but what role does game play in the physical development of preschoolers? And the PowerPoint has this video. Not sure if it's going to play, but we can tweak this. It's a video on, okay, it's acting kind of funny, but it's a 2-minute video on toddler or preschoolers playing a game. So not sure why it's not playing. And then after the 2-minute video, your next slide, and I put these questions in here. What growth area did the video show for social, physical, emotional? So you could actually, I think you could tie all 4 of these into the video. Because for a preschooler, what did it show for social development? What did it show for physical development? What did it show for cognitive? And so you could actually ask your students, there's really no wrong answer. You just want to get their feedback on that 2-minute video. And then at the end, have your students answer the essential question. They would write this on paper. You see my toddler's up and she won't go to sleep. It's on paper. Daddy. So I'm going to flip over real quick to see if I can play that video. Why it's not playing in the slideshow. But this was, I don't know why it's not playing. Let me see if I go back to my OneDrive if it'll play.
Oh! I did it.
Yeah. All right, so the video's not playing, but hopefully tomorrow I can tweak it. I just wanted to give you some ideas how you get a formative assessment out of this lesson. This was just the first slide. So student learning objectives. I personally would have my students write down the SLO. This is just the SLO for this particular assignment. Then you have the essential question. The essential question you want your students to answer after you have either talked 5-10 minutes or just after they've watched a couple videos. This was a 2-minute video right here. I will work on it tomorrow, but like I said, then you had your essential question. This will be bigger, but there were 4 essential questions. How did the video show the students displaying cognitive development? How did the students video show the students developing physical development? And then lastly, to end the lesson, please answer the essential question. And then they would turn this piece of paper in to you. So hopefully this is kind of a little easier to for this assignment. But I don't know when your break is tomorrow, but we can tweak this. But this is just kind of to get you started so you don't have to stress about don't worry about a Google form. I would just do quick paper, pencil. So when they're walking in, give them paper, give them pencil, and then you can start this PowerPoint.